Ready to transform your sales process from chaotic to closeworthy? Let's dive into HubSpot CRM and unlock its potential to supercharge your sales. First, let's get acquainted with the interface. You'll find your main navigation at the top, giving you access to contacts, companies, deals, and more. Start by managing your contacts. Efficiently click on Contacts to view, add, and segment your leads. Import existing contacts or create them manually, adding relevant details like email, phone number, and company. Next, set up your sales pipeline. Navigate to Sales then Deals. Customize your deal stages to match your specific sales process, like appointment scheduled, qualify, proposals sent, and closed one. Now, let's see the deals in action. This visual pipeline allows you to track the progress of each deal, moving them from stage to stage as they advance. Click on a deal to view and update its details, log activities, and add notes. Leverage HubSpot's free sales tools. Enable email tracking to see when prospects open your email. Schedule meetings directly from HubSpot, eliminating back and forth emails. Logging your sales activities is crucial. Record calls, emails, meetings, and notes directly within each contact or deal record to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Stay on top of your to-dos by creating and managing tasks. Set reminders for follow-ups, calls, and other important sales activities. Finally, gain insights into your sales performance with basic reports and dashboards. Track key metrics like deal velocity, conversion rates, and revenue generated to identify areas for improvement. Now you are ready to close some deals.